This is how I connect and hang tapestry quilts made from graphics in my patterns. Feel free to mute the video and bring your own music. My voiceover reads only what is written on screen. I use a simple slip stitch over the surface to give them this scientific cell look. Since it's a wall hanging for myself, I think a double knot and a few inches hanging from the ends on the back is fine. Start by connecting them horizontally. You can leave the corner strings on the back to tie together later. Make a slip knot and begin slip stitching into both loops of your square's top and bottom rows. You will continue across all squares without any chains or extra steps between. Next, you will connect them vertically. Starting with a new slip knot for each seam, connect them row to row. If you can't see exactly which loops you're supposed to go into, just use any two loops nearest to each row to keep them lined up. Same as before, continue between the squares, skipping right over the horizontal seams. If you have these start and end tails on your squares, you can tie them together and trim them. You can use any stitch for a border, but I like these scallops. Work 5 half double crochet into the side of a row, skip the next row, and slip stitch into the side of the next row. skip the next row, and then repeat. It doesn't matter whether you end the corners with a scallop or a slip stitch. I had corner scallops in the case of this tapestry. Work 5 half double crochet into the first stitch, skip the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, skip the next stitch, and then repeat. I hang it up at each corner and at the tops of each vertical seam for the best support. You can simply pin it in place, or you can use rings or loops of yarn to hang it to several pins in the wall. Place split rings or jump rings into any 2 loops on the back of a stitch. With the ring method, you can easily change out tapestries of the same width. All of these graphics are available in my cardigan patterns. Thank you for watching.